Laos, a landlocked jewel in Southeast Asia, is renowned for its stunning landscapes and rich biodiversity. This video invites viewers to embark on an unforgettable journey through the country's extraordinary wildlife, showcasing the unique flora and fauna that inhabit its lush forests, majestic mountains, and pristine waterways. As we delve into the heart of Laos, we will explore various national parks and protected areas that serve as sanctuaries for countless species. The Nam Et Pho Lue National Park, for instance, is a prime example of Laos's commitment to wildlife conservation. Here, visitors can witness rare and endangered species, including the Indo-Chinese tiger and the Asian elephant, in their natural habitats. The park's diverse ecosystems not only support these magnificent creatures, but also offer a glimpse into the ecological balance that sustains life in the region. The Mekong River, which flows through the country, is another vital habitat teeming with biodiversity. In our exploration, we will encounter a variety of aquatic species, including the elusive Mekong giant catfish, one of the largest freshwater fish in the world. The richness of the Mekong River exemplifies the intricate relationship between wildlife and the environment, underscoring the importance of conservation efforts to preserve these vital ecosystems. In addition to its renowned national parks, Laos is home to numerous wildlife rescue centers dedicated to rehabilitating and protecting animals from the illegal wildlife trade. These centers play a crucial role in educating the public about the importance of wildlife conservation and fostering a deeper appreciation for Laos's natural heritage. This video serves as an invitation to witness the breathtaking wildlife of Laos. As we traverse through its varied landscapes, we are reminded of the need to protect these precious ecosystems and the myriad of species that call them home. Join us in celebrating the natural wonders of Laos, where every moment reveals the beauty and fragility of our world's wildlife. The Nakhai Nam Thayun National Protected Area, nestled in the heart of Laos, presents a mesmerizing tableau in the early morning hours, particularly when graced by soft rainfall. As dawn breaks, the rainforest awakens, adorned with a delicate veil of moisture that imbues the atmosphere with a rich, earthy aroma. The foliage, lush and vibrant, glistens with droplets that reflect the nascent light, creating an ethereal landscape that captivates the senses. The symphony of sounds in this pristine ecosystem punctuates the stillness of the morning. Rain drizzles gently upon the canopy, each drop offering a rhythmic cadence that mingles with the calls of various avian species. The chorus of birds, those elusive yet vibrant inhabitants of the forest, fills the air, their songs resonating with hope and vigor as they herald the new day. Each note serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of life within this biodiverse sanctuary. As the rain continues, the temperature remains refreshingly cool, encouraging a flourishing environment that nurtures countless species. The flora thrives, with towering trees reaching toward the heavens and smaller plants basking in the sustenance provided by the rain. This symbiotic relationship epitomizes the resilience of nature, where each element, be it plant or creature, plays a vital role in the sustenance of the whole. Furthermore, the early morning hours in this protected area are crucial for the myriad of wildlife that calls it home. Creatures such as the elusive Asian elephant and the endangered sun bear venture forth, unencumbered by the larger crowds of day, to forage and explore. Their movements are subtle yet purposeful, a testament to the survival instincts honed over generations within this lush environment. In the tranquil embrace of the early morning, the yellow-cheeked black gibbon family engaged in a delightful routine that underscores the intricate relationship between nature and the daily lives of these remarkable primates. The gibbon species, distinguished by their striking yellow cheek patches and agile physiques, are well adapted to the arboreal environment in which they reside. This essay explores the morning activities of the yellow-cheeked black gibbon family as they ascend the forest's canopy in pursuit of relaxation and leisure. As dawn breaks, a golden hue bathes the forest, illuminating the vibrant green foliage that serves as the gibbon's habitat. The significance of this morning ritual transcends mere recreation. It embodies the essence of their lifestyle, characterized by an inherent connection to the natural world. Climbing to the higher branches of the trees, the yellow-cheeked black gibbons demonstrate their impressive locomotor skills, employing a mode of travel known as brachiation. This method, which involves swinging from limb to limb using their long arms, allows them to navigate their environment with agility and grace. Once perched among the upper branches, the family members settle into their serene setting, evoking a sense of tranquility unique to their species. It is essential to recognize that relaxation for these gibbons extends beyond the physical act of resting. It encompasses a critical period of social bonding and communication. The family unit, typically comprising a dominant pair and their offspring, engages in grooming and vocalization, activities that serve to reinforce social ties and maintain cohesion within the group. Their melodious calls resonate through the forest, echoing the harmonious existence they forge with one another and their surroundings. Moreover, the choice of spending time in the treetops during the early hours also provides a practical advantage. The cooler temperatures of the morning shield the gibbons from the more intense heat of midday, allowing them to conserve energy and maintain optimal physiological function. Furthermore, their elevated position in the forest canopy offers a strategic viewpoint for observing potential threats and locating food sources, thereby enhancing their survival prospects. The interplay of relaxation, social interaction, and the inherent safety afforded by their arboreal habitat illustrates the complexities of gibbon life. As they bask in the morning sun, the yellow-cheeked black gibbons remind us of the intrinsic need for rest and connection in the animal kingdom, paralleling the fundamental aspects of human experience. The morning routine of the yellow-cheeked black gibbon family serves as a poignant reminder of the simple yet profound pleasures found in nature. Their climb up the trees for relaxation is not merely an act of leisure, it is a multifaceted ritual that encompasses social bonding, energy conservation, and vigilance. As observers of this enchanting scene, we are invited to appreciate the delicate balance of life that thrives in the forest and to reflect on our own connections with the natural world. The red-shanked Duke Langur, Pigathrix nigripes, an arboreal primate native to the tropical forests of Southeast Asia, is a strikingly beautiful species, characterized by its vivid coloration and expressive features. Found predominantly in the lowland forests of Laos, Vietnam, and Cambodia, this species is distinguished by its unique red-shanked limbs and nuanced facial pattern. However, like many species endemic to this region, the red-shanked Duke Langur faces significant threats due to habitat loss, hunting, and the illegal wildlife trade. Consequently, the practice of housing them in zoos has emerged as a dual-edged sword that invites considerable debate surrounding conservation efforts, animal welfare, and education. In the context of Laos, the presence of the red-shanked Duke Langur in zoos serves several vital purposes. Firstly, these institutions contribute to conservation awareness. As the public observes these primates in captivity, they are provided with an invaluable opportunity to appreciate their beauty and understand the ecological roles they fulfill in their natural habitat. Educational programs designed around the red-shanked Duke Langur can instill a sense of responsibility among visitors, highlighting the importance of biodiversity and the dire plight of this species in the wild. Moreover, zoos can play a pivotal role in breeding programs aimed at maintaining genetic diversity and potentially reintroducing individuals back into their natural habitats. In Laos, where deforestation and fragmentation threaten the survival of wildlife, national zoos can collaborate with international conservation organizations to facilitate research and breeding efforts. By cultivating a stable captive population, zoos can serve as an insurance policy against the extinction of the red-shanked Duke Langur, providing a buffer while critical conservation actions are enacted in the wild. However, the ethical implications of keeping the red-shanked Duke Langur in cages cannot be overlooked. Critics argue that captivity often does not replicate the complex social structures, environmental stimuli, and extensive space the species would naturally enjoy in the wild. The psychological well-being of the animals is a pivotal concern, with evidence suggesting that inadequate living conditions can lead to stress-related behaviors and diminished overall health. Therefore, it is essential that zoos prioritize the creation of enriched environments that cater to the species' physical and psychological needs, thereby minimizing the negative impacts of captivity. Furthermore, the situation in Laos underscores a broader critique of conservation strategies that rely solely on zoos. While captive breeding can offer temporary solutions, long-term conservation will depend on habitat protection and restoration efforts in the wild. In the case of the red-shanked Duke Langur, habitat destruction presents an existential threat that cannot be mitigated solely through the lens of captivity. As such, integrating zoo efforts with programs aimed at preserving natural habitats, Educating local communities and combating poaching is crucial for ensuring the future of this remarkable primate. While the red-shanked Duke Langur may find itself in the confines of a cage within a Laotian zoo, the implications of such captivity extend beyond mere observation. It embodies a complex interplay between conservation, education, and ethical consideration. As such, zoos must strive to establish a balance that upholds the welfare of these magnificent creatures while simultaneously fostering awareness and action towards their conservation in the wild. The future of the red-shanked Duke Langur hinges on the collective efforts of scientific, educational, and community initiatives, reminding us that preserving biodiversity is not merely an act of compassion, but a vital necessity for the planet's ecological integrity. Laos, a landlocked nation nestled in the heart of Southeast Asia, is celebrated for its breathtaking natural landscapes and vibrant biodiversity. However, the country faces critical environmental challenges that threaten its rich ecosystems. Among the most pressing issues are deforestation and wildlife hunting, both of which pose significant threats to the conservation of flora and fauna in Laos. The ramifications of these activities extend beyond the immediate loss of species and habitats. They also jeopardize the ecological equilibrium, cultural heritage, and sustainable development of local communities. This essay seeks to elucidate the complexities surrounding deforestation and wildlife hunting in Laos, their effects on biodiversity, and the urgent need for sustainable practices that prioritize environmental conservation. Deforestation has emerged as a paramount concern in Laos, with extensive areas of forest being cleared for agricultural expansion, logging, and infrastructural development. The country boasts approximately 60% forest cover, historically providing vital ecosystem services such as carbon storage, soil conservation, and water regulation. However, recent decades have witnessed a surge in deforestation rates, primarily driven by the increasing demand for rubber, coffee, and other cash crops. Large-scale agricultural projects, often facilitated by foreign investment, have led to the systematic clearing of vast tracts of forest land, resulting in habitat loss for numerous species. The environmental consequences of deforestation are profound. The loss of trees disrupts local ecosystems, diminishes biodiversity, and exacerbates climate change. Forests serve as carbon sinks, absorbing significant amounts of carbon dioxide. Thus, their destruction contributes to rising greenhouse gas emissions. Additionally, deforestation often leads to soil erosion, reducing the land's fertility and increasing vulnerability to natural disasters such as floods and landslides. The interdependence of ecosystems means that the ramifications of forest loss are not confined to the affected areas. They resonate throughout the region, undermining efforts to combat climate change on a global scale. In tandem with deforestation, the hunting of wildlife has emerged as a critical issue threatening biodiversity in Laos. Many species, including elephants, tigers, bears, and various primates are pushed to the brink of extinction due to unsustainable hunting practices. The illegal wildlife trade, often driven by demand for exotic animals, traditional medicines and luxury goods, poses an additional challenge. Poaching not only decimates populations of endangered species, but also disrupts ecological balance, as each species plays a unique role within its habitat. This morning, the elusive gaur, a large bovine native to the forests of Laos, ventured into the verdant expanse of the rainforest protected area in search of sustenance. The serene ambience of the rainforest, characterized by its dense foliage and the symphony of raindrops tapping against the leaves, provided a unique backdrop for this majestic creature's foraging activities. As the gaur navigated through the underbrush, its robust physique and impressive stature were a testament to its adaptability in such challenging environments. The rain, though incessant, seemed to invigorate the ecosystem, fostering a rich tapestry of flora that sustained the diverse herbivorous inhabitants of the forest. The gaur, with its keen sense of smell and acute awareness, expertly identified patches of fresh grasses and tender shoots, highlighting the intricate balance of life sustained within this protected habitat. The significance of the gaur's presence within the rainforest protected area extends beyond its role as a herbivore. It embodies the broader ecological dynamics that govern these complex ecosystems. By grazing, the gaur aids in the maintenance of plant diversity and contributes to the overall health of its habitat, illustrating the interconnectedness of species within this vibrant ecosystem. This morning, amidst the lush greenery of the rainforest protection area in Laos, a Sero sat gracefully, embodying the serene beauty of its natural habitat. The Sero, a goat antelope native to the mountainous regions of Southeast Asia, exemplifies the delicate balance of life within the rainforest ecosystem. Its clear, sleek body glistened under the gentle patter of rain, a reminder of the interdependence of flora and fauna in this biodiverse environment. The rainforest protection area serves as a vital sanctuary for numerous species, including the Sero, which is classified as vulnerable due to habitat loss and hunting pressures. The presence of such a creature signifies the health of the ecosystem, as it thrives in environments that offer both shelter and sustenance. Observing the Sero in its natural surroundings evokes a sense of wonder and underscores the importance of conservation efforts aimed at preserving these irreplaceable ecosystems. The sight of the Sero this morning highlights the intricate connections that exist within our planet's biodiversity. It serves as a poignant reminder of the need for continued stewardship of our natural world. ensuring that future generations can also experience the splendor of such remarkable creatures in their rightful habitat. The Fayer's leaf monkey, scientifically known as Trachypithecus fayerae, is a remarkable primate indigenous to the rainforests of Southeast Asia, notably found in the protected areas of Laos. This species is characterized by its distinctive facial features, including a black and white coloration and its long, agile limbs that facilitate both sitting and climbing. The ecological significance of the Fayer's leaf monkey is underscored by its adaptive behavior, particularly its feeding patterns. In the lush canopy of the Laotian rainforest, these monkeys exhibit a unique ability to maneuver through the trees with agility and grace. They predominantly inhabit areas with abundant foliage, allowing them to forage effectively for fruits, which constitute a significant portion of their diet. Their climbing skills not only enable them to access nutrient-rich fruits high in the treetops, but also serve as a means of evading predators. Observing the Fayer's leaf monkey as it navigates its arboreal environment is an enchanting reminder of the complex interdependencies within the tropical ecosystem. Protecting the rainforest habitats where the Fayer's leaf monkey thrives is of paramount importance in the face of increasing deforestation and habitat degradation. Conservation efforts aimed at preserving these areas not only safeguard the future of this remarkable species, but also contribute to the overall biodiversity of the region. As guardians of their arboreal domain, the Fayer's leaf monkeys play a crucial role in seed dispersal, thereby enriching their habitat and promoting forest regeneration. The Fayer's leaf monkey exemplifies the intricate relationship between wildlife and their environment. Its behavior of sitting and climbing to access fruits in the rainforests of Laos illuminates the delicate balance required for survival in these biodiverse ecosystems. Protecting these habitats is essential not only for the survival of the Fayer's leaf monkey, but for the myriad species that share its home. The Laotian langur, an emblematic species of primate endemic to the lush rainforests of Laos, exemplifies the intricate relationship between wildlife and its habitat. These arboreal mammals are distinguished by their striking physical features and remarkable adaptability, which are vital for their survival in the dense foliage of their native environment. As they navigate the canopies, Laotian langurs exhibit a remarkable acumen for climbing, showcasing their prehensile limbs and strong grip. These adaptations enable them to traverse the intricate branches of towering trees, where they seek nourishment among the diverse vegetation. Their diet primarily comprises leaves, fruits, and occasionally flowers, reflecting their role as herbivores in the ecosystem. This foraging behavior not only sustains the langurs, but also promotes the health of the forest through seed dispersal and plant regeneration. The role of Laotian langurs extends beyond their dietary habits. They are integral components of the rainforest ecosystem. Their presence indicates a thriving habitat, rich in biodiversity. In this regard, their conservation is pivotal. The protection of the rainforest areas in Laos is paramount to ensuring the survival of this species, which faces threats such as habitat loss and poaching. Efforts to preserve these vital ecosystems not only safeguard the Laotian langur, but also contribute to the broader environmental balance. The Laotian langur represents a unique intersection of adaptation, ecological significance, and conservation necessity. As these primates continue to climb the heights of their rainforest home in search of sustenance, they underscore the urgent need for preserving their habitats, thereby ensuring the survival of not only their species, but the diverse array of life that thrives alongside them in the rich tapestry of Laos's rainforests. Thank you all for supporting my Forest Wildlife channel. If you enjoyed the adventure, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's explore nature together.